First, we have to draw BC 5.5 centimeters line segment. We have to draw 5.5 centimeter. This is 5.5 centimeter. This is B. This is C. 5.5 centimeters. Next, angle B equal to 120 degrees. Take compass 120 degrees arc we have to draw. This is 60 degrees. This is 120 degrees. We have to draw one line here. Next, AB equal to 6 centimeter. Take compass 6 centimeter measurement you have to take from B to cut that line. Where is intersecting these two? That we have to take A. Join A and C. Next, first sub question. Construct circle circumscribing the triangle ABC. Circumscribing means any two sides perpendicular bisectors we have to draw. BC perpendicular bisector. C to cut that arcs. Join these two, this point and this point. Next, AB. AB perpendicular bisector. Should draw one straight line here. This line we have to extend. Where is intersecting these two lines? That we have to mention some I. From I to draw one circle. That circle it will touch A, B, C. Next, draw a cyclic quadrilateral ABCD so that D is equidistant from B and C. B and C. Equidistance means this is the point. This line we have to extend till circle. This is the D point. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. We should join AD and DC. This is ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Next question number 14. Construct a triangle ABC with the following data. AB equal to 3.5 centimeter, BC equal to 6 centimeter, angle B equal to 120 degrees. We can use these three measurements. We can draw one triangle. Next, same diagram. Draw a circle with BC as diameter. Find the point P on the circumference of the circle, which is equidistant from AB and BC. Measure angle BCP. Triangle BC 6 centimeter. This is BC 6 centimeter. Next, angle B equal to 120 degrees. From B to we have to draw 120 degrees angle. This is 120 degrees angle. Draw one line here. Next, AB equal to 3.5 centimeter. Take 3.5 centimeter with compass. From B to cut that line. Where is intersecting, that we have to write A angle. Join A and C. Now we have to draw BC as diameter. Find point P on the circumference of the circle, which is equidistant from AB and BC. First we have to draw BC perpendicular bisector. Here one arc, here one arc. From B to cut that arcs. Join, draw one straight line here. Next, from B bisecting. B we have to draw bisecting from here to one arc, from here to one arc. We should draw angle bisector. Where is intersecting these two bisecting lines, that we have to put one point P. Here BC as a diameter. So this point, some M you should take from M to C. How much angle radius? We have to draw one circle. Where is intersecting this circle and angle bisecting, that we have to put some P. This is some N we have to mention. From P to join P and C, we have to draw one line. Now we have to find out angle BCP. BCP angle we have to find out. How many degrees? See, 30 degrees. 30 degrees angle we find out. Now 15th question. Draw a line AB equal to 5 centimeter. Mark a point C on AB such that AC equal to 3 centimeter using ruler and a compass only. Construct circle of radius 2.5 centimeter passing through A and C. First we have to draw one circle. First AB 5 centimeter line segment. We have to draw 5 centimeter. This is A, this is B. 5 centimeter. Total is 5 centimeter. Next, mark C on AB. Mark C on AB 3 centimeter. 3 centimeter compass we have to take. We have to draw on AB. This is 3 centimeter. This is C. This is 3 centimeter. Next, circle of radius 2.5 centimeter passing through A and C. A and C. A and C 2.5 centimeter. We have to take one arc. From A to we have to draw one arc and C to cut that arc. Same 2.5 centimeter. This is some O we have to take. Join here OA and OC. This is 2.5 centimeter. This is 2.5 centimeter. Next, from O to A, 2.5 centimeter, we have to draw one circle. This is circle. We should join OB. Find out. See, circle radius 2.5 centimeter passing through A and C. Construct two tangents to the circle from the external point This is the point B. From here to we have to draw tangents. Measure and record the length of the tangents. From here to we have to draw tangents. So OB perpendicular bisector we have to draw up and down. O to cut that arcs. Should draw one line segment here. Here. Where is intersecting from there to from this point we have to take some P. P to O. We should take measurements and we have to draw one circle. Now these two circles where is intersecting that point we have to take some X and here some Y. From X to B we have to draw one tangent and X B to Y. Now length of the tangent. 3.5 centimeter length of the tangent. Next, 16th sum. Using ruler and compass, construct triangle ABC in which AB equal to 7 centimeter, angle A equal to 60 degrees and AC equal to 5 centimeter. Construct locus of points equidistant from AB and AC. First we have to construct triangle. First AB equal to 7 centimeters. 7 centimeter. AB equal to 7 centimeters. Next, angle A is equal to 60 degrees. Angle A equal to 60 degrees. We have to draw 60 degrees angle. This is 60 degrees. Draw one line here. This is 60 degrees. Next, AC is equal to 5 centimeter. From A to, we have to draw 5 centimeter arc. A to, this point is C. Join B and C. This is 5 centimeter arc. Now first sub question, points equidistant from AB and AC. AB and AC. AB and AC. What is the common here? Here angle A bisecting. A is equidistance. We have to draw here. Next, second sub question, points equidistant from BA and BC. Angle B bisecting. Angle B bisecting. Where is intersecting? From here to this point we have to take some I. Next, hence construct circle touching the three sides of the triangle internally. Internally means this is triangle. This triangle circle we have to draw inside of the triangle. Inscribed circle. So inscribed circle we have to draw from point 2. From point 2 we have to draw one perpendicular line to join this one. Now from I2 we have to draw, this is the radius. This is the radius. We have to construct circle. This is inside. The circle is touching internally.